I'm moving on. Got the open road ahead of me, chasing highway lines to get to my dreams. Moving on, moving on. I don't know where I'm going, but I ain't there yet. Let this heart of mine be the GPS. Moving on.
As you can see, I'm soaking wet. We don't like to travel at night, and we started to, especially in the rain, but we wanted to get up here for her dad's house to get, because we couldn't find a place on the way to stay. Everybody was booked up. So we were trying to back into a spot that we normally park, never have problems with it. It's a driveway, rock driveway, but they had just cut it out for a water line. We didn't know, and we just drove about a foot off the road, and it sunk into the ditch, and now we're stuck waiting on a wrecker to get us out of the road. We're blocking one lane of traffic up here. Man, I tell you what, if it rains, it pours. It's just the way it is. It's life in the RV.
This is the reason you don't travel at night.
I know,
especially not in the rain.
Yes, you're right. I'm soaking wet. Can't get to any dry clothes because
Can't put anything out.
Can't put anything out because the slides, the RV's at a crook, so can't get dry clothes out. We dogs in here, cats in here. And we're soaked. I am absolutely soaked to the bone, and Dana's soaked, and we don't know what to do. We're waiting on the wrecker, but you know how that is. It could be hours that can pull this RV. It could be hours.
All because
he wouldn't know what he was doing anyway.
Of this.
When I get in there, do I put it in neutral?
Or just put it in drive and just get a little bit of gas, yeah. You can just work with us.
Yeah.
Is that didn't mess up our back door, did it?
I don't know.
I wouldn't think so. Something that the ground is.
That's what I'm thinking.
I hope not.
If it was concrete or something, so maybe it would.
Okay. So this is their plan. I don't know what their plan is, and I don't know how it's going to work, but I sure do thank God that this is going to work, because we've prayed and we've asked the Lord to protect our RV. He protected us all the way up here. I believe in a mighty God who's able to do above and beyond anything that we thought. And that includes getting a 40,000-pound RV out of a mud hole. A horrible mud hole.
You're alright. Cut right. Yeah, cut right. Come on straight. Come on straight. Now cut hard left. You got it. Come on. Yes, sir. You're good over here. You got about 2 left. Oh, I'll check to see. That's some water.
Hello, welcome to the 1 Million Mile Road Trip. I'm Tommy.
And I'm Meddena.
And we came up from Gulf Shores, Alabama, drove through the 6-hour drive, about 6 hours.
Yeah, well,
or
I think
so.
it was closer to 7.
Okay, it was raining the whole way. It got dark on us. We normally do not travel at night, and we normally do not travel at night in the rain.
Definitely not.
But we got up to the farm, my in-laws' farm, and we were going to back the RV up on a gravel road next to the house where we have hookups, and I didn't realize they'd had over 10 inches of rain up here in the last few days, and I just got the RV backed off the gravel road by 1 foot, just 1 foot, and it sunk down into the ground, as you can see on the video. The video I showed you prior to us talking here, and it just got stuck, couldn't get it out at all. And we had the sheriff's department out here at one time, and the road we blocked half. The road was half blocked, but we might see 3 cars come down within 2 hours, so the road at least wasn't a busy road.
Not at night.
Not at night. But anyway, we wanted to give you a review. We've had Good Sam's roadside assistance ever since we started RVing, and I just want to tell you, they were outstanding. Only thing I say is, we're in an area that really doesn't have but a couple of wreckers that would be big enough to haul our RV out of the mud, and all they had to do is winch it out. Winched it about 2.5 feet, and that's all it took. But you need a pretty good sized wrecker to do that, and they have a certain method to do that. And the sheriff deputy that was out here was a little bit impatient with us about getting the wrecker, a wrecker at the time. But Good Sam's did get a hold of the closest wrecker and for the best feed. Now I'm going to just tell you, the wrecker driver told me that he charged over, I think, $580 to pull it out. Of course, we had zero. We paid zero. And you getting back here looking at the plans for, and Good Sam's paid it all. We didn't no deductible
or anything.
And they were just as nice as can be. We want to say a special thank you to Denise.
Denise in Clarksville, I think it's Clarksville, Tennessee, was amazing.
She was absolutely amazing, really helpful. Stayed in contact with us, gave us the wrecker's number. They contacted us when they were on their way. He was a super nice guy too. Do you remember his name?
Yeah, I don't remember.
Carter's wrecker service out of Fayetteville, Tennessee. Also, if you need any wreckers, needing a wrecker for anything.
Denise she called and had me on the phone when they were here, and then she said, okay, I'll call you back. I'll give them time to get you out and everything. She called us back, and we were settled in, and I told her, thank you so much. It was amazing.
And now, Good Sam's has basically 3 plans, but we won't discuss. The first one has only to do with, I guess, now I'll go ahead and say it's a standard plan. Covers cars, truck, SUV, motorcycles, and 1 travel trailer if you have a small travel trailer. And it's $64.95 a month, or I'm sorry, a year, per year. And it is a regular price. They're on sale now, 50% off too. I would advise you, if you got an RV, get it now. And that's for like cover, tires, stuff like that. And then the platinum plan covers a car, or trailer, or a drivable motorhome. It's $79.95 per year.
50% off right now.
50%
that's
off.
the cost at 50% off.
Right, 50% off right now. And then the premium also is 50% off right now. It's $119.95. And I'm going to tell you guys,
the premium was worth it for us.
If you even have to pay the regular price, it'd be well worth it, because I think the regular price is $239. So now is a great chance to get it at 50% off.
Okay, hold on just a second. Wait a minute. That's what I was fixing to tell them.
Wait a minute.
The premium at $119.95 right now. It's the comprehensive package, full platinum coverage, which included the car, truck, travel, motor. The premium includes the tire, wheel, road hazard coverage, and emergency medical assistance.
Right, if you have to get emergency medical. I don't remember now which one we had, but it's
I'm sure
I think we have the either the premium or the mid service, but it says unlimited towing distance to the nearest facility, service on flat tires, lost keys, battery jump, replacement fuel, fluid and fuel, and it includes on-site technician support, access to 30,000 towing and service specialists, priority access to RV Tech Helpline, and additional perks like rental cars and stuff like that. It comes with your platinum and family coverage for your spouse, domestic partner, or dependents, children under 25. But the premium actually has tire and wheel, road hazard coverage, and emergency medical. And I'm just telling you, I can't say enough good stuff about the Good Sam's roadside service. We won't be without it. Now, if you're a member of some plans, some groups have even a discount on them, but I've never seen it at 50% off. I think we gave over 200 and something for ours, but I
think at the time I thought that, I don't think that's something that we really need to pay for. Now I tell him we won't be without it.
No, and the reason why I got it to start with was because I didn't want to have a flat on this Class A RV of ours and then have to be changing their tire out there or calling, say, Love's truck stop and have to pay them to come out and change the tire. I wanted at least to have the coverage for somebody to do that.
And if Good Sam's paying attention to this video, which we hope you are, Denise in Clarksville, she should get a medal or a good check or something. This lady did. She was good.
Amazing, and like I said, yes, and it really helped us out in a time where I was super stressed out over it, and because we were dealing with sheriff's department out there, and even I'm retired law enforcement, it was very stressful. That's all I'm going to say about the sheriff's department. They wanted it out like right now, and unfortunately I didn't have a record in my hand, and we had to.
You've been with us all day.
We had to go with what was available. I'm sorry, guys.
Maggie,
see, I don't know what the problem. Every time we get to talking on camera,
just an Eskimo.
Maggie has got to get up here and get involved in it.
Oh, you're getting kisses. Oh my gosh, she's trying to climb up in your lap.
Okay, guys. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. And
this is now the Maggie Show.
Yeah, the Maggie Show. And we'd appreciate if you give video a thumbs up.
Yeah, give us a thumbs up.
Good Sam's a thumbs up. And if you would, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. We really would appreciate it.
And
it's free. Hey, it's free. Don't cost a thing.
And please do check out Good Sam's now while everything's 50% off.
Have a good night.
See you out
there on the road.
I know you ain't doing this to yourself. Stop what you're doing and let him go. Pack up all your things when you're fine.